over and over until you make it to the end.